to learn, to create, to innovate, and to express oneself without fear. With this beautiful quote, I, Kritika of Grade 5, along with my friend Ekansh, would like to welcome our principal ma'am, dear teachers, and fellow students to a splendid morning assembly.
Prayer is not just a ritual, it's a sacred moment where we connect with our inner selves, seek guidance, and express our deepest hopes and aspirations. I call Adya to conduct the prayer.
I request everyone to join your hands, close your eyes, and repeat after me. Where the mind is without fear and the head is held high, where knowledge is free, where the world has not been broken up into fragments by the narrow domestic walls, where words come out from the depth of truth, where tireless striving stretches its arms towards perfection, with a clear stream of reason has not lost its way into the dreary desert's hand of dead habit, where the mind is led forward by thee into a winding thought and action, into that heaven of freedom. My Father, let my country awake. Thank you.
Thank you, Adya.
Our school song is a celebration of the freedom to learn, to grow, and to chase our dreams. Now I would like to welcome a choir group to lead us with the school song.
Let us celebrate the joy and praises of the school we hold so dear, of the school that claims our respect. DWPS, surely we cheer. Stand, revel in joy and pride, ever ready to proclaim. Stand, revel in joy and pride, ever ready to proclaim. DWPS, we glory, proud we are to carry that name. DWPS, we glory, proud we are to carry that name. Service is our fearless motto, honor is our guiding star, ever ready to recoup us when our steps are wandered afar. Time to see us falling apart, life may grow dull and cold. Time to see us falling apart, life may grow dull and cold. Still our cling to our reflection, DWPS shall have our hope. Still our cling to our affection, DWPS shall have our hope. Still our cling to our affection, DWPS shall have our
Thank you, choir.
Pledge is not just a promise. It's a commitment to cherish our values and stand by the principles that bring us together as a community. So I request Pratham to lead us with the pledge.
Good morning, everyone. I request everybody to stretch your right hand forward and repeat after me. India, country, and all Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents teachers, and all elders, respect and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion. In their well-being and prosperity alone lies my happiness. Thank you.
Thank you, Pratham. I would like to call Shrestha to say the significance of the day.
Good morning, everyone. Today's significance of the day. Telestar 1, the first communication satellite to transmit live television signals and telephone conversations across the Atlantic Ocean, was launched on this day in 1962, inaugurating a new age in electronic communication. Thank you.
I wish Litisha from grade 4 and Veda from grade 9 a very happy birthday from DWPS family.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. May God bless you, dear. May God bless you, dear. May God bless and keep you. Happy birthday to you.
Please be seated. Freedom is not the absence of commitment, but the ability to commit ourselves to what is best to ourselves and others. Presenting a dance come act by the students of grade 5, where they exhibit freedom, either a boon or a bane. Over to you, Amit and Krishna Pranay. Thank you so much.
Freedom is God's given gift. A child is devastated when his freedom is curtailed from him. Hello everyone. We grade 5 students are here to represent a tale. Freedom is boon or bane. In this tale, we'll follow two friends, Aryan and Shriyan, who at the end will get to know what it means to be free.
Our story begins in a school classroom where Aryan's teacher tells his parents how well he's doing in school.
Good morning, Mrs. Malhotra. Please take a seat. Good morning, ma'am. How did my son perform this time? I must commend your son's exceptional performance in both academically and in his extracurricular activities. Must say that your child is a well-mannered child. Shall we perhaps invest more effort? It's not needed. Everything is progressing smoothly and is an all-rounder kid. Thank you, ma'am, for your valuable feedback. You're welcome, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
They are proud of him and happy to hear the good news.
Later comes Shriyan with his mother.
Ma'am, book. Good morning, Mrs. Kiran. Please take a seat. Good morning, ma'am. So, ma'am, how is my son doing in his exams? As usual, ma'am, he performed excellently. He scored very well in all of his subjects. Okay, ma'am. Well, anything else? Yes, ma'am. He's an all-rounder kid and a well-mannered child too. Okay, ma'am. Well, thank you for your valuable feedback. You're welcome, ma'am.
Later, Aryan and Shriyan asked their parents if they could go out and play. Their parents agreed but reminded them to come back in time for their studies.
May I go to play? It's my designated playtime.
Very well, but at 5 o'clock, it's time for your studies.
Okay, Mom.
Mom, may I also join my friends to play? I'll be back by 5 o'clock to study for my next exam. Okay, Aryan, you can go to play with your friends, but just be careful while playing, okay? Okay.
playground scene. Else.
Shriyan, we must head back.
Who is that going? Who's that going? Hold on, Aryan and Shriyan. We are in the middle of the game.
I need to leave. I promised my mom that I would be back by 5 o'clock to study for my next exam. You guys can continue with your game. Bye, Aryan. Bye, friends.
Bye.
Aryan, how can you abandon us in mid-game? Come on, man. Just don't tell us that to stick to timing schedule. Just look at us. We have freedom to do whatever we want.
Really? You people do not have any regard to your schedules?
No, we don't have. Chalo, let's take a break.
Give me freedom, give me fire, give me reason, take me higher. See the champions take the field now. Unify us, make us feel proud. In the streets our heads are lifting as we lose our inhibition. Celebration, it surrounds us. Every nation, all around us. Sing forever young, singing songs underneath the sun. Let's rejoice in the beautiful game. And together at the end of the day, we all say, when I get older, I will be stronger. They'll call me freedom, just like a waving flag. I get older, I will be stronger. They'll call me freedom, just like a waving flag. So wave your flag, now wave your flag, now wave your flag. Oh, 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 oh. Give you freedom, give you fire, give you reason, take you higher. See the champions take the field now. Unify us, make us feel proud. In the streets our heads are lifting as we lose our inhibition. Celebration, it surrounds us. Every nation, all around us. Sing forever young, singing songs underneath the sun. Let's rejoice in the beautiful game. And together at the end of the day, we all say, when I get older, I will be stronger. They'll call me freedom, just like a waving flag. I get older, I will be stronger. They'll call me freedom, just like a waving flag. So wave your flag, now wave your flag, now wave your flag, now wave your flag.
Mom, where are you? Do you know this? My friends do not have regard for your schedule. They do as they please. Is that so? Yes, Mom, they enjoy their freedom. I also yearn for the same liberty.
Very well, Aryan. I will give you the opportunity to craft your own schedule. Let's see how we fare. But I have a wish to hold a condition for you. If you don't fare well in your exams, then I'll keep you in residential school, where they will be forced you to abide the rules and regulations.
Understood, Mom, understood. I promise to prove myself.
Okay. Aryan's excited to have more freedom and decides to try different things like watching TV, playing chess, and make sure to eat on time.
Activities like playing chess and nourishing himself with proper meals. Meanwhile, Aryan reveals his newfound liberty, indulging in activities like playing video games and watching TV.
अपनी राख से तू उड़ जा अब तलाश में, परवाज़ देख परवाने की, आसमां भी सर उठाएगा। आएगा अपना टाइम आएगा, मेरे जैसा शाना लाला तुझे ना मिल पाएगा। ये शब्दों का ज्वाला मेरी बेड़ियां पिघलाएगा, जितना तूने बोया है तू उतना ही तो खाएगा। ऐसा मेरा ख्वाब है जो डर को भी सताएगा, जिंदा मेरा ख्वाब अब कैसे तू दफनाएगा। अब हौसले से जीने दे अब खौफ। अपनी राख से तू उड़ जा अब तलाश में, परवाज़ देख परवाने की, आसमां भी सर उठाएगा। आएगा अपना टाइम आएगा, मेरे जैसा शाना लाला तुझे ना मिल पाएगा। ये शब्दों का ज्वाला मेरी बेड़ियां पिघलाएगा, जितना तूने बोया है तू उतना ही तो खाएगा। ऐसा मेरा ख्वाब है जो डर को भी सताएगा, जिंदा मेरा ख्वाब अब कैसे तू दफनाएगा। अब हौसले से जीने दे, अब खौफ नहीं है सीने में, हर रास्ते को चीरेंगे हम, कामयाबी छीनेंगे। सब कुछ मिला पसीने से, मतलब बना अब जीने में। क्यों? क्योंकि अपना टाइम आएगा, अपना टाइम आएगा, अपना टाइम आएगा, अपना टाइम आएगा। अपना टाइम आएगा। उठ जा अपनी राख से तू उड़ जा अब तलाश में, परवाज़ देख परवाने की, आसमां भी सर उठाएगा। आएगा अपना टाइम आएगा, मेरे जैसा शाना लाला तुझे ना मिल पाएगा। ये शब्दों का ज्वाला मेरी बेड़ियां पिघलाएगा।
Aryan, what are you doing? Aryan, why are you playing? Aryan, you're spoiling him. Aryan, get up, take it back and leave.
अब हौसले से जीने दे, अब खौफ नहीं है सीने में, हर रास्ते को चीरेंगे हम, कामयाबी छीनेंगे। सब कुछ मिला पसीने से, अपनी राख से तू उड़ जा अब तलाश में, परवाज़ देख परवाने की, आसमां भी सर उठाएगा। आएगा अपना टाइम आएगा, मेरे जैसा शाना लाला तुझे ना मिल पाएगा। ये शब्दों का ज्वाला मेरी बेड़ियां पिघलाएगा, जितना तूने बोया है तू उतना ही तो खाएगा। ऐसा मेरा ख्वाब है जो डर को भी सताएगा, जिंदा मेरा ख्वाब अब कैसे तू दफनाएगा। अब हौसले से जीने दे, अब खौफ नहीं है सीने में, हर रास्ते को चीरेंगे हम, कामयाबी छीनेंगे। सब कुछ मिला पसीने से, मतलब बना अब जीने में। क्यों? क्योंकि अपना टाइम आएगा, अपना टाइम आएगा, अपना टाइम आएगा, अपना टाइम आएगा, अपना टाइम आएगा। अपनी राख से तू उड़ जा अब तलाश में, परवाज़ देख परवाने की, आसमां भी सर उठाएगा। आएगा अपना टाइम आएगा, मेरे जैसा शाना लाला तुझे ना मिल पाएगा। ये शब्दों का ज्वाला मेरी बेड़ियां पिघलाएगा, जितना तूने बोया है
After the holidays, here comes the exam day.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, children. Please take a seat. Are you prepared for the exam today?
No, ma'am.
Okay then, please put your books inside the bag and get ready for the exam. Children, you can start writing the exam.
Shreyan writes his exam very well, but Aryan could not perform well this time. He is completely downcast.
Okay, children, there are more 5 minutes left. Students, it's time up. Kindly give your papers. Thank you, students. We'll meet tomorrow. Shit.
Everybody are excited. They are getting their answer scripts.
Good morning, students. Please take a seat. Okay. Well, everyone performed well. Few papers were exceptional and rest are okay. However, only a few students fell short. What happened, Aryan? Why didn't you do well this time? You didn't even pass the paper. What was the reason?
Actually, ma'am, my mother used to guide and assist me in all my exams, but this time I devised my own timetable and unfortunately I couldn't achieve my success. Now I realize why my mother used to organize everything in a structured approach.
Indeed, Aryan, you're correct. Your mother has given you the freedom, but now it's imperative for you to choose the right path, whether you want to utilize the freedom correctly or not. Aryan, your mother is concerned about you. Wait, Aryan, I'll call your mother.
No, ma'am.
It's okay, Aryan, you can take a seat. Okay, children, thank you so much. We'll meet tomorrow.
I'm sorry for saying that I wish to play with friends, but hating
realized a mistake. You know, in a democratic country, we have freedom, but with rules and regulations. If there were no rules, everything would collapse. See, Aryan, everyone has freedom, but you need to know how to use it diligently.
Okay, Mom.
That's bye-bye.
Arya learns that being free doesn't mean doing whatever you want. It means making good choices and being responsible. And that's the lesson we can all learn from. Thank you.
Education is the key to unlocking the world, and the teachers hold the keys. Let's welcome our grade 5 class teachers to share their thoughts.
Good morning, respected principal ma'am, teachers and my dear students. Today our topic is freedom is a boon or bane. What does it mean, children? Freedom is a boon or bane. What did you understand from this? Freedom is good or bad, or it's a blessing or a curse, right? Freedom is always a blessing for everyone. Do you agree with me? But it becomes curse when someone is misusing it, right? For an example, if a person is driving a car very fast and not following any rules and regulations, traffic rules, and he has no restrictions at all, what happens at the end? Yeah, he may get into an accident, right? In the same way, if you do not use your freedom properly and if you are not responsible for it, what happens? It can harm you. Understood? Thank you.
Very good morning to Principal Ma'am and all my dear colleagues and my dear friends. Everyone wants freedom in their life, but we can only get the place of freedom when we follow the discipline. Self-discipline and time management are the two important things which helps us to attain success in our life. Life without discipline is just like a ship without any rudder. That means it does not have any destination or any direction. Thus, true freedom is nothing but it's a level of self-control, following certain disciplines and ethics in our life to achieve success in our life. Thank you.
Respected Principal Ma'am, teachers and all the students here, a very good morning. Yes, we are discussing about freedom today. I want to give a small example, children. Freedom is like a small glass bowl. If you, by mistakenly, if you throw down, if it slip, it breaks into pieces, we can't bring it back. The same way, freedom, if you misuse, you can't get it back. What I am trying to tell is, freedom is given by parents or teachers or grandparents. We need to use it in a proper way and grow up in our life. Thank you and have a nice day.
Great school leaders constantly pay attention. They build a culture focused on student learning. They inspire, they support students and school staff the ways that lead to improvement. Now I would like to call the backbone of our school, our principal ma'am, to share our valuable thoughts.
My beloved students and my dear team, good morning. What a profound theme, right? And you know, this is evergreen debate topic since ages. Freedom is a boon or bane. Children here today, see already your teacher spoke about how you have to use your freedom. Right? I am going to talk about your parents today. I hope all your parents are working children. They are doing their job, right? They are doing a lot of hard work and they are getting their salary. And they are getting their salary, right? So they have every right and freedom to use their salary because that is their sweat and blood. They can use in whatever way they want. For example, if you take men, they are very passionate about branded gadgets and branded cars. If you come to women, women are, they have that passion about their clothes and then jewelry. So right now when we are talking about your mother and father, they have their own desires and wishes that I want to buy that, this. And they are working, they are getting money also, right? They are getting their salary. Are they going and getting branded cars? How much time it will take for your father to go to one car showroom to buy an Audi or a Benz car by paying a down payment and then installments? Even though they are having freedom to spend whatever they are earning, they are not doing, children. Why they are not doing? Because of you people. Because they want to give bright future to their children. That is the main reason. What is stopping them to spend in whatever way they want? They want to give very bright future to their kids. That is the main reason they are not going for branded cars. So they are compromising. Even though they are compromising, they are happy. Because by thinking that, yes, even though I am compromising in my life, I am giving bright future to my kids. Don't think what is there. They will go to office and they come back home. They will open their laptop. They are doing some work. It's not that easy, children. They have to face their boss. Boss may be cranky. Lot of humiliation at office. We don't know how colleagues are behaving. Still, after facing so many challenges in the office, after coming home, if you go and show, Dad, see, I got my formative assessment marks out of 25. I got 25, 24. He will forget all the challenges, whatever he is facing from morning onwards. And he will feel, okay, for this reason I am doing all those things. That motivates your parents to do more and more. Few cases, when we are talking to other principals and other teachers, they will be discussing, ma'am, today we faced one challenge. Parents came and they started crying in front of us, saying that my kids are not listening to me. They are shouting on us. Children, they are doing a lot of hard work. You have to respect their sacrifice. You have to recognize their sacrifice. It's a humble request from my end and from all the teachers. Don't give back answers to your parents. Don't argue with your parents. Whatever they are saying, that is for your bright future. Respect them. And today I want you to go home. First, give a big hug to your mom and dad saying that thank you so much for your sacrifice. For my future. Are you going to do it today? Yes? Okay. And here one more instance I want to share with you. Yesterday I went into grade 7. You know our Madhurima ma'am, she is an English activity teacher. So she asked me, ma'am, I'm having class in grade 7. You please come along with me. You just observe the students. So I went into grade 7 and today I want to share here. I'm using this platform to share. Outside I am listening and I am reading many articles saying that, this generation kids, they are not having any affections because of nuclear families. They don't respect their grandparents. Yesterday the topic was children, conversation with past. That was a topic given to grade 7 students. You can't even imagine, they started crying by cherishing the moments how they spent with grandparents. I am very happy to say that my kids, we are raising kids in our school by inculcating the values and morals. Please children, we don't bother about the society, how it is. It matters how we are. Right children? So according to me, freedom is, everyone can enjoy freedom if we are responsible and if we are accountable. Right? You can enjoy the freedom. Thank you. God bless you, children.
Thank you, Principal Ma'am. Over to you, Bhavya Ma'am.
Good morning, students. Good morning. I can't hear you. Good morning. Yeah, I know you people are thinking ma'am is back again with Olympiad results. Okay, starting off with Cyber Olympiad, that is Computer Olympiad results. We have Medal of Distinctions from Grade 1. Umay Kulsum, Mehraj and Stuvi Jain have bagged gold medals. Can we have them on the stage? Umay Kulsum, Mehraj and Stuvi Jain. Walk fast. From grade 2, we have N. Dakshita Reddy, Ayansh Varutkar, T. Shrenika and K. Karshit who also bagged gold medals. I repeat, N. Dakshita Reddy, Ayansh Varutkar, T. Shrenika and K. Karshit. Toppers of the Cyber Olympiad. From grade 2, we have Tarun Sunnar, G. Dikshita Sri and Krishiv Jindal. I repeat, Tarun Sunnar, G. Dikshita Sri and Krishiv Jindal. From grade 5, we have Sri Rudra, Shreyas Reddy and Kavyansh. I repeat, Sri Rudra, Mrunanya, Shreyas Reddy and Kavyansh. From grade 6, we have Sana Rahmani and Sohan Panda. Next up is the Social Science Olympiad results. First, starting with the Olympiad topper from grade 2, we have Tatikonda Shrenika. Next up is state toppers from grade 1, C.H. Jashwita and P. Ishika. One, come here, Shrenika. Grade 6, Sana Rahmani and Sohan Panda. Next up, class toppers. From grade 1, we have S. Mehraj who has bagged silver medal. S. Mehraj. From grade 2, we have Tarun Sonad who has bagged silver medal and N. Dakshita Reddy has bagged bronze medal. Next up, from grade 4, we have a zonal topper, that is Ekansh Parida, who has bagged gold medal of excellence. Ekansh. Coming to class toppers of grade 3, we have Sanvika who has bagged gold medal. Grade 3, Sanvika. Grade 4, Tejasvi Yadav. Grade 5, Preetam Sunnada, Sri Harsha and R. Daniel. I repeat, Grade 3, Sanvika. Grade 4, Tejasvi Yadav. Grade 5, Preetam Sunnada, Sri Harsha and R. Daniel. From grade 6, we have Pratham Somashekar. Grade 7, V. Abhijit. Grade 8, Hansika Bonkanpalli. Grade 9, L. Padushiva. Yes, ma'am. I repeat, grade 6, Pratham Somashekar. Grade 7, V. Abhijit. Grade 8, Hansika. And grade 9, L. Padushiva. Next up is the Hindi Olympiad class toppers. From grade 1, Zibran, S. Mehraj, C.H. Jashwita and Nakshatra have bagged gold medal. I repeat, Zibran, S. Mehraj, C.H. Jashwita and Nakshatra have bagged gold medal. All 4 gold medals, ma'am. From grade 1, Mudit Agarwal has bagged silver medal. Mudit Agarwal. Ma'am, one more. Silver, ma'am. From grade 2, Advait Ashish has bagged gold medal. Tarun Sunnad and M. Srinika have bagged silver medal. And Shravika has bagged bronze medal. From grade 4, we have Devanshi Oja who has bagged gold medal. Devanshi Oja. From grade 6, we have V. Nikita who has bagged gold medal. V. Nikita. From grade 7, Om Singhal have bagged gold medal. Walk fast. Walk. Run. Nikita, run. Next up, we have a small token of appreciation for the teachers from the Silver Zone Olympiad. Starting off with Lucy ma'am, Kavita ma'am, Tarna ma'am, C.H. Sujata ma'am, Shweta Rani ma'am, Upasana ma'am, and Sarita Prabhu ma'am. I repeat, Lucy ma'am, Kavita ma'am, Taruna ma'am, C.H. Sujata ma'am, Shweta Rani ma'am, Upasana ma'am, and Sarita Prabhu ma'am.
Children, if you remember, last March, few blind people came, right? Do you remember they have given program here, right here? Right? That's a charity program, what we have done in the month of March. As a token of appreciation, they have sent few gold medals and silver medals for the students, for donating the money. Right, children? Okay, now we are going to have that medals too. Lucy ma'am and Madhuri ma'am, please come and join me.
Starting with grade 1, P. Manvi, Zaveria Naz, Sheikh Tasneem, Zibran, Yuvan and Kruti. They have received gold medal. I repeat, Manvi, Zaveria, Sheikh Tasneem, Zibran, Yuvan, Yunav and Kruti. Next is silver medals. Chirag Agarwal, Suryadit, Vihan Rao, Sanvi Reddy, Mudit, Shreyansh Rao, Akira Adeli and Aisha. Akira. Mudit. Ma'am, let it be. I'll give later. Chirag Agarwal, Suryadit, Vihan Rao, Sanvi Reddy, Mudit, Shreyansh Rao, Akira Adeli and Aisha. Next is bronze. Arav Yadav, Adyashri, Haripriya, Stuvi Jain. Arav Yadav, Adyashri, Haripriya and Stuvi Jain. From grade 2, we have T. Shrenika, Abhya, M. Shrenika, N. Dakshita, Divika, Ayansh Yadav, Tanisha, Laukya, Shivam Akira, Anshika Gaud, Takshika Rao, Shravika, Lasya CH, Advik, Ridansh, Iraj and Arjun Reddy. Go. Shrenika, Abhya, M. Shrenika, Dakshita, Divika, Ayansh Yadav, Tanisha Tota, Laukya, Shivam Akira, Anshika Gaud, Takshika, Shravika, Lasya, Advik, Ridansh, Iraj and Arjun. Next up is silver medal. Can you all be ready? From grade 2, Ayansh Varudkar, Snitika, Harnika, Pranav, Krishiv, Harsh Ranjan, G. Dikshita, Manvita Sai, Srihan Rao, Riya, Ritvika, Naman Karthik, Tarun Sunnad, Suhangsha, Madhurya, Chakshita, Charvita, Harnika, Harini, Manya. Taruna ma'am, can you stand and let them now cross the campus? They come on the stand, go for the line, stand and don't get to come. They're ready, let's exit from there. Ayansh Varudkar, Shrinika, Harnika, Pranav, Krishiv, Harsh Ranjan, G. Dikshita, Manvita Sai, Srihan Rao, Riya, Ritvika, Naman Karthik, Tarun Sunnad, Suhangsha, Madhurya, Chakshita, Charvita, Harini and Manya. Stand there. Let them not come this side. Next up, bronze medals from grade 2. Nidhi, P. Aryan, Avyan Krishna, Yashika, Advait Ashish, Bihan, Devanshi and Shreyas Nandan. I repeat, Nidhi, P. Aryan, Avyan Krishna, Yashika, Advait Ashish, Bihan Reddy, Devanshi and Shreyas Nandan. Next up is grade 3. Students, please be ready. Gold medal, Aradhya Mishra, Ahana Naresh, Devna, Nolan, Miha Patil, Shreya Srinivas, Akula Vihan, GNS Hasini, and Hajel. I repeat, Aradhya Mishra, Ahana Naresh, Devna, Nolan, Miha Patil, Shreya Srinivas, Vihan, GNS Hasini, and Hajel. Next up, silver medal. Silver from grade 3. Reyansh Krishna, Akash, Hadia, Sayansh, Nakshatra, Satvika, Nainika, and S. Dikshita. I repeat, Reyansh Krishna, Akash, Hadia, Sayansh, Nakshatra, Satvika, Nainika, and S. Dikshita. Next up is bronze from grade 3. Dharamdeep, Mokshit, Darshik, Tapasya, and B. Sai Ritesh. I repeat, Dharamdeep, Mokshit, Darshik, Tapasya, and B. Sai Ritesh. Next up is grade 4 gold medals. Nishika Pandey, Devanshi Oja, Joash, Ritika, Deepika, Loksha, Krishna Pranay, Ishan Gaud, Amit Baradia, Sai Charan, Lekya, Ayushi Swapnil, Adhya Reddy, Gunjan, Gaganeshri, Agasya, Abhilohit, P. Rohit, Sri Varshini, Suryansh, Tejashwi, and Pratham. I repeat, grade 4. Nishika Pandey, Devanshi Oja, Joash, Ritika, Deepika, Loksha, Krishna Pranay, Ishan Gaud, Amit Baradia, Sai Charan, Lekya, Ayushi Swapnil, Adhya Reddy, Gunjan, Gaganeshri, Agasya, Abhilohit, P. Rohit, Sri Varshini, Suryansh, Tejaswi, and Pratham. Next up, silver medals from grade 4. Harshit Gaud, Supratik, Pranati, Haidar, Adira, Hamsika, K. Srihan Reddy, S. Rakesh Naidu, and Vishrut Gaud. Please be ready, students. I repeat, Harshit Gaud, Supratik, Pranati, Haidar, Adira, Hamsika, K. Srihan Reddy, S. Rakesh Naidu, and Vishrut Gaud. Harshit Gaud, Suprati, Pranati, Haidar, Adira, Hamsika, K. Srihan Reddy, S. Rakesh Naidu, and Vishrut Gaud. Next up, bronze medal. Students, please be ready. M. Naksh, E. Samanvi, Akshay, Shrihita, Krutika, M. Shrestha, Ekanksh, and Tejasvi Yadav. I repeat, M. Naksh, E. Samanvi, Akshay, Shrihita, Krutika, M. Shrestha, Ekansh, and Tejasvi Yadav.
Children from grade 5 onwards, we are going to give next assembly. Give a big round of applause for your kind heart. Very nice, children. Whatever we are receiving, we have to give back to the society. That's what we are learning in the school. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, Lucy, ma'am. Thank you, Madhuri, ma'am. Ma'am, 1 second, ma'am. Yes. We have Sana Rahmani of grade 6 who have bagged gold medal in Cyber Olympiad. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Vishnu Kriti. Now I call Vishnu Kriti for vote of thanks.
Good morning, everyone. On behalf of all grade 5 students, I would like to express our heartfelt gratitude to our extreme principal ma'am, respected teachers, and my dear friends, to making this assembly a memorable one. Thank you. Please raise up for the national anthem. I would like to invite our choir group to lead us with the national anthem.